We're getting you Halloween ready today.
We are. We're coming face to face with your Halloween plans this morning. In fact.
Our Vince Gerasole is getting tips on making your perfect transformation for this spooky holiday. He is live at Makeup First School of Makeup Artistry in the Loop. Good morning, Vince.
Yeah, we've got the nuts and bolts of some great Halloween makeup tips for you this morning. Stay tuned because we're going to find out how to turn the kids into one of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. That is one of the big costumes for the fellas out there. And then, of course, everybody is enchanted by Frozen. And we've got Elsa here from Frozen undergoing the transformation. A lot of little girls want to be Elsa. At least that's what Jill Glazer's telling me from Makeup First School here. I mean, people must be calling you all the time asking about the Frozen costumes.
It's a very popular look this season.
Is it easy to pull off?
Sure.
Just about anything is, I guess you'd say, with makeup, right?
Yeah.
Now, for moms and dads, what are some of the looks that are popular as well if you're going out to a party at Halloween? You're saying the 60s is a big look, right?
The 60s is big. It's been big on the runways, so we can transfer the runway look and put it into Halloween.
And when you think about the 60s, you always think about Elizabeth Taylor when she starred as Cleopatra.
Oh, yeah.
So you've got a Cleopatra look here. What's the secret to making a good Cleopatra look out of makeup?
I say don't be afraid of adding blue, green color on the lids and make it really striking. And then, of course, the cat eye instead of a smoky eye, which is also seen on the runways, is now a Halloween look.
So you got it. So in the cat eye, is that secret is what Diego's doing to the corners of the eyes, right?
It's this very crisp liner that goes up.
Okay. I guess the ladies know how to do that more
Oh,
than
yeah.
fellas like that. Now, we're going to go around the other way because a lot of people get their inspirations for Halloween costumes from comic books. And here we're meeting Ms. Harley Quinn. She's one of the villains from Batman. And that's a technique where you're putting makeup over the eyebrows, right?
Right.
And so what do you have to do to the eyebrows to make them makeup worthy?
Well, this is Arlene, and Arlene has used a glue stick, and she's put the glue stick right over the hairs of the brows.
Just like the kind I'd use at home with my kids?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what do? You then take a what? You take a...
Well, we take like a spoolie, but you can just use your finger and like a...
So just use your finger and you put it over the eyebrow and you flatten it that way?
And you flatten it and you comb it through.
Okay, and then you put the makeup over it. Wow. And then what do you do to achieve this look here? What do you have to do, Jill?
I believe that Arlene has used some cream, and she's going to set it with a powder. So that's just a theatrical cream.
It looks pretty good,
Yes.
too. So what do you think? You think we'll win #1 costume duo, Harley Quinn and the guy with the thing sticking out of his head? Who knows? More ideas
Looks
coming.
like it hurts, right?
Family,
It
get
does
ready
look
for
like it
Halloween.
All right.
Glue sticks in the eyebrows. That is so
Who knew?
cool.
Who knew? My daughter's going to be Elsa this year.
I know.
Yeah, let it go. Let it go.